Good evening. Please uh, tell me about yourself.
Sir, my name is Anne Mary, and I'm coming from Irinalakuda. It is a place in Thrissur district. And currently, I'm pursuing my MSc Computer Science. I'm a final year student. Sir, I did my school from 10th standard from St. Joseph Public School in Anandapuram. And I did my plus two, my 12th from St. Anne's in Anatadam. And I did my degree, BCA, in Sahadya College of Advanced Studies. And my family consists of 4 members. My father, he was a businessman, but he is now currently doing a small farming. And my mother, she is a homemaker, and I have a brother. He is working as an accountant. And my hobbies include drawing and listening to music. And also, I love to listen to podcasts. That's all about me.
What are podcasts?
It's a streaming platform where you can listen to people talking about a particular topic. It can be of any genre.
So, is it like our YouTube or something like that? How it is being done? And um, what are the instruments we need to do a podcast? Supposing I want to do a podcast, कैसे कर सकते हैं? How to do it?
So, sir, in YouTube, you can show like a video, right? But in
Yeah,
podcast, you only have audio. It's basically like a radio, a modern day radio. You just need a proper mic system.
for mic system. And do you need require internet and other things?
Yes, sir. They upload the audio, and then people can stream it in platforms like Spotify, also other Google Music. Even they provide podcast.
Mhm. I don't know. Somehow I'm not very familiar with that. Very good.
Mm.
You are MSc
Computer
compute
science.
computer science student.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please, um, what are the things you have prepared for this interview?
Sir, I learned about basic banking terms like stock market and all the functioning of banks. Then I went through a little bit about the Federal Bank also.
Did you study about your computer-based questions? I think you must be
Not,
knowing.
yeah, I didn't prepare particularly about it. I mostly studied banking questions. I think I know computer science because I studied
What
last week for exam.
what is a network?
Network is a connection between multiple computer systems.
Tell me about different topologies used in computer networks.
There is star topology, then mesh topology, hybrid topology, ring topology, and bus topology.
Which topology is most suitable for banks?
Mm, I'm not sure, sir.
I think somewhere I remember it is a bus topology or something like that. 1 minute.
Okay.
Mm, in fact, if after this interview, if you stay on at 9:30 or so, I will
Hmm.
be going online with a IT officer. An
Okay, sir.
officer who is IT in some bank is going for a scale 2 post in another bank. He
Okay.
is applying for application services manager. So I will be able to draw more inspiration or information from him also. You
Okay,
can
sir.
just observe it. Yeah, one
Okay,
minute.
sir.
The point I was asking you is that,
Topology used in bank.
yeah, India banks topology used in banks. Which topology is used in which computer network topology did banks use? Banks adopt hybrid network topology. What is that hybrid network topology? They
Hybrid
say,
is
yeah.
hybrid is basically it's a mixture of multiple topology. So it can be bus topology with star topology or any other topology.
Mhm.
It's a mixture of topologies.
Mhm. Acha. Which computer network topologies did bank use? Continue 1 minute. I'm just searching Google only.
Ah,
Uh, yeah, this is how you also have to adopt. Yeah, banks adopt a hybrid network topology. It is a mixture of linear bracket backbone and star topologies, branches topologies. Mixture of linear and star topology.
okay, sir.
It seems, is there a topology known as backbone topology?
No, sir. I think bus
Li-
topology, it's also
i-
called as backbone
oh,
topology.
is it called as linear topology?
Yeah, linear is also called bus topology.
Acha,
The straight topology, that is why I think it's called backbone.
very good. Good, you told nicely. Which type of network is used in CBS?
CBS. I don't know, sir. I don't know what is CBS also.
You don't know. Computer candidate, you must know it.
CBS. Can I
Very
know the full
important.
form?
Core
CBS.
banking solution.
Okay.
1 minute. What was the question? Which type of network is used? Which type of network is used in CBS in banks? What type of network is used in core banking solutions? Core banking solution is a networking of branches which enables customers to operate their accounts and avail banking services from any branch of the bank on CBS network, regardless of where they maintain his account. Core banking solution is providing centralized online system. CBS has a regional cluster center which connects all the banks into a particular area, which gets connection in higher bandwidth from each branch. The bank server are connected to this RCC, thereby their operations are interlinked. I think the lines that connect the server RCC are just fiber wires. That is how it is networked. Could you follow?
Yes,
So
sir.
I am giving a link of this in our Telegram page. You please search that and try to get some more ideas. No, all these questions I am asking you only from the book I have given you, Bankers Adda, the 10 pages
Okay.
book. Or did you go through that?
I went through Federal Bank interview questions. That document I went through. I didn't go through the one you said right now.
This is the one.
Uh,
Are you seeing now?
yes, sir. I am seeing that.
Yeah, here these questions are there. Now, please tell me which questions you can answer. What are ports and why we use it? What is optical fiber? What is cyber crime? And please, can you answer whatever questions you are capable of? After you are answering 2, 3 questions here, I will go for personality related. I will go for hobby related. I'll go for banking related.
Oh, okay, sir. Ports are basically something where we use to connect the computer with other devices. That's what a port is. And then optical fiber is a transmission media where you can send signals through one place to another. That is what optical fiber is. Then protocols are basically rules like HTTP is a protocol. It is for transferring a hypertext. Then FTP is a protocol which is used to transfer file.
Hmm.
Then hub, router, and repeater, bridge and switch. Um, they are basically used to connect parts of the computer, but I don't know what's the difference.
Mhm.
Uh,
So you may have to
then,
study, you may have to prepare for all these things, DBMS questions, OS
mm,
questions. What is deadlock and how can we recover from it?
So deadlock is a situation where two processes need a same resource. So if a process is holding a resource and that resource is needed by another process, and there's a deadlock between them because they can't give up their resource and let the other person have it. So they can't, it's like a deadlock. There is no solution to it. Then if you want to recover it, you can basically you can ask the other resource to wait and um, hold, basically by halting the process, by halting the resource. That's what deadlock is and how you recover it.
Good. This one you managed very well. Good. Please tell me what are your strengths?
So my strength is that I'm very determined. If I put something, like if I put something in my mind, I always get it. Even if I don't get it, I try myself to get it. So I'm very determined. Then also I'm very organized. I always plan ahead and I always follow the plan. So I'm very organized. Then I'm very punctual also. I never be late, and also I deliver everything properly, even in school assignments and everything. I do it properly. That's my
Good.
strength, sir.
Good. Tell us about your family.
So my family consists of four members. My father, he was a businessman. Now he's doing simple farming. And my mother, she's a homemaker. And I have a brother, elder brother. He's an accountant.
You said simple farming. What is simple farming?
It's not like he's making. It's not a business. Like it's not. He's selling or anything. He's doing just household farming to bring in vegetables for the home needs, like household needs,
Mhm. Not for
like
selling.
not for selling, just for consuming for home.
Mhm. What is the recent news about repo rate?
Recently repo rate has increased because inflation has become an issue. I don't know how much it increased.
It is now 6.25.
Okay, 6.2.
From 5.90, it has been revised to 6.25. And standing deposit facility. You are aware of what is standing deposit facility?
No,
No.
sir.
Standing deposit facility is a provision whereby banks, when they are flooded with money, they can park with the Reserve Bank of India, and there they give a rate of interest of 6%.
Sir, can you repeat that, please?
See, when the banks are having surplus funds, they can park with Reserve Bank of India, and these funds are not secured by government securities, and for which Reserve Bank pays interest at the rate of 6% per annum.
Okay, sir.
This is standing deposit facility. Another concept is, what is that? A reverse repo rate. That is only 3.35%. That, of course, now not many banks will be using, because that is also similar to standing deposit facility, where they can keep the surplus funds with the RBI. And only thing is, in this case, RBI will be giving government securities to protect them. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
the present bank rate is 6.50. You
6.50.
and present MSF rate. What is MSF?
MSF. I don't know, sir.
Ma- Marginal standing facility rate. That is now 6.5. Bank rate is the rate. I think you are not prepared banking.
Bank rate, I know, sir. It's the rate at which bank provides the interest to
Provides
the
interest.
sorry,
Provi-
it's the interest at which the RBI provides
Loans.
loans to the commercial banks.
Yeah. Same thing. MSF is also a loan facility to the banks, but it is for overnight uses, emergency uses.
Okay.
Who is controlling banks?
RBI, sir. Reserve Bank of India.
Sure. What all you know about RBI?
Sir, RBI is the Central Bank of India. It is the bank that regulates and controls the banks of commercial banks, small finance banks, etc. And also it controls the financial sector of India. And also it provides loans and other facilities for banks.
Did you mention about note issuing authority, foreign exchange control, and all that, and also
Foreign exchange.
monetary policy authority?
Yes, sir.
These things you have to tell. You have not studied fully. Have you studied? Tell me. You are there with us for last 1 month, but you have not been preparing for this because you are not given the interview date. Probably you are not prepared. Correct?
Yes, sir. Also, I had my exams in this week, so I was not
Oh,
able to prepare.
it is okay. Fine. So now you know which material you have to read for that. Have I shown you that? Have you seen them?
Yes, sir. I went through one of the documents you sent me, that 2022 Federal Bank interview questions.
That is right. But the material I am referring to is this one that you are seeing now on on the screen.
I
That is
see. I see.
Federal Bank, sorry, IBPS PO interview questions. You must go through banking related questions, banking abbreviations, banking terminologies, banking awareness notes, something like that. ये सब आप prepare करना है.
Okay, sir.
And now I'm asking only simple questions they have asked in the one candidate who has already been selected. I told you that
Mm-hmm.
Ernakulam candidate. Who is controlling insurance in India?
Insurance is controlled by IRDI. IRDAI.
What is the
Insurance.
full expansion?
Uh, uh, Insurance Regulation and Development Authority of India.
Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. Who is the chairman of IRDAI?
I
Mr.
don't know, sir.
Debasish Panda. Mr.
Okay,
Debasish Panda. Where is the headquarters of IRDAI? Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay.
Okay. Next question. Who is controlling stock exchanges?
SEBI, sir. Securities and Exchange Board of India.
Who is the chairman?
I don't know, sir.
Mrs. Madhabi Puri Buch. Mrs. Madhabi Puri Buch.
Okay, sir.
BUCH. Good. Now, have you heard the term e-rupee?
Yes, sir.
What is e-rupee? You're a computer man. You must tell me.
Yes, it's a basically it's a cryptocurrency, digital currency given by, provided by the government of India. It was
Don't, but don't use the word cryptocurrency. It is not cryptocurrency. It is a digital currency.
Okay, sir. Yeah,
Because
so it was
cryptocurrency is one which is not having the backing of the government.
okay, okay, sir.
And you know it is done through blockchain technology, this thing
Yes,
and
sir.
all that. But some of these qualities are applicable here also. So tell me what all points you will tell when they ask you about what is, they have asked this candidate, what is e-rupee? E-rupee ka bare mein batao.
Sir, I will talk about the date when it was released, then
Hmm.
about the retail and wholesale part of it.
Hmm.
Then also I'll talk about the like the terms or mechanism used in it, like the blockchain. I'll discuss about blockchain. Then
Hmm.
I will talk about the pros and cons about
Hmm.
digital coin.
Super. Good. That's nice. This is okay. Fine. Sufficient. Then, following that, they have asked what is cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Can you elaborate on that?
So blockchain is a type of distributed database. In that we will have multiple information about um, particular company or a a technology, something like that. I
No,
don't
no.
know the proper
No,
definition.
no. What you are telling is not what MSc computer science should tell us. Hmm? This, if it is told by a BCom candidate, I will accept, but not by you. What is cryptocurrency? Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Please read.
Cryptocurrency is a encrypted data string that denotes a unit of currency.
1 minute. You are not able to see now? Come on, come on. It is
Monitored and organized by a peer-to-peer network called blockchain, which also serves as a secure ledger of transactions, etc. Buying, example, buying, selling, and transferring.
talking about this. It is a vast ocean. There are so
Mhm.
many things going on in this. Like some cryptocurrencies have failed. You are aware about that? That is all coming in our, what is that? 1 minute. Um, there is one fellow who has cheated the um cryptocurrency world. Some bank, something. I'm not getting his name. He has been paid. 1 minute. What is that? Do you know that name? That
No,
FT
sir.
box or something like that. Oh, as a computer boy, you must be in a position to know. Cryptocurrencies failed. Why? What crypto failed recently? I'm getting it here. Over 1 million people and businesses could be owed money following a collapse of crypto exchange FTX, according to bankruptcy filings. The fellow has filed insolvency in America. There have been also reports that FTX suffered a hack, taking a millions of dollars of crypto from the firm. How many cryptocurrencies have failed? Bob, Ray Bob, 3,322 cryptocurrencies that were listed on CoinGecko in 2021 have failed. But the one I am telling is the biggest failure. Why
Okay.
is cryptocurrencies failing? Scams and Ponzi's triggered liquidations and repeat blows to investor confidence. So these are the things. Is it possible for crypto to fail? 100% fail. As where a cryptocurrency fails, investor will most likely lose all the money they have put in that. So you have to learn as a computer student to know some details about all these things. This boy,
Okay, sir.
whom I told you, MTech, is also computer science only, and
Hmm.
he has been selected. They do ask many questions relating to your area.
Okay, sir. I'll prepare well.
Yeah. And next, they asked about blockchain technology. So you should go through that also and tell. They have asked only this much computer related questions: e rupee, cryptocurrency, blockchain technology. Then they have gone to what do you know about Federal Bank net worth, profit, share price? You don't know, you are not prepared. Correct? Agree?
Yes, sir.
I will show you. See, you can easily get from this that I have provided. Don't ask me why I am not remembering. I am not able to remember. See, the net worth is given here in the second quarter results. Net worth is given as 19,617 crore.
Okay.
Could you see this?
Yes, sir.
The capital risk weighted asset ratio is 13.84 percentage.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then it is also telling they have 1,305 branches, 1,876 ATMs, 30th as on 30th September. This also gives you their total business is 3,50,000 crore. Their deposit is 1,89,000 crore. Their advance is 1,64,000 crore. These figures you must remember.
Okay, sir.
This can be used when, for example, for questions like what do you know about Federal Bank? You can tell this. And what do you know about the financial results of Federal Bank? You can use this information and talk to them.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
And
sir. I
apart
have
from
a
that, the profit is 704 crore net profit.
Okay, sir.
No, I can easily understand your doubt. Sir, I am not a commerce student. Why should I know this? Yes, they are expecting you to know all this.
Yes, sir.
They have asked this candidate, what is the share price of Federal Bank now? I think it is now selling at 137 rupees or so, which you can easily see by going to google.com and search Federal Bank share price. It is now 137.70.
Yes, sir.
You can be marginally correct, 135, 140, something like that you can say. But exactly paise is not required because it
Okay, sir.
changes quite often. Good, very good. Next question for you is what they have asked that candidate. Why banking after computer science?
Sir, I want to do a customer centric job. So I want to meet different people of different background. So that's why I want to do banking. And also, I think as a computer science student, I can give a technical and analytical knowledge to the bank as well. So I don't think it will be a problem.
Are you ready to relocate yourself to other parts of our country?
Yes, sir.
Will your parents permit?
Yes, sir. They are supportive.
Who is the CEO of Federal Bank?
Shyam Srinivasan, sir.
Who is the governor of Reserve Bank of India?
Shakti Kanta Das.
How many deputy governors are there in Reserve Bank of India?
Three, sir. Three.
No, 4.
Hmm?
M.K. Jain, Rajeshwar Rao, Ravi Shankar, then M.D. Patro.
Okay, okay, sir.
4 deputy governors are there. Good. Now you are in Kerala.
Yes, sir. From Kerala.
Oh, tell me some Kerala gossips. Mm,
Gossips. Uh,
mm,
Let me think about it.
mm, mm. See, when I go through on manorama.com, I see these problems. Shorten Karipur Airport runway to set up safety area, insists civil. What is Karipur Airport?
Karipur Airport.
Uh, is it in Kerala?
We have four airports: Kannur, Trivandrum, Calicut, and Kochi Airport.
No, but here I find it's in Kozhikode, it seems. Kozhikode, the center has insisted on reducing the runway at Karipur International Airport for safety reasons. The Civil Aviation Ministry has said reducing the length of the existing runway was the best solution as the state government failed to complete land acquisition for setting up runway safety area. The clarification was given by V.K. Singh, Minister of State for Civil Aviation, to a query from Abdul Samadani MP. Okay. Then
Okay,
I
sir.
think the major controversy that is going on in Kerala is that governor government controversy, vice chancellor, and all that. And next news, current news is about Shabrimala crowd control
Yes, sir.
90,000 cap they are going to put.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the news. Mm, what else? Who is K. Rajan? Is he a famous person?
K.
KK Shail,
Rajan.
K. Rajan, KK Shailaja.
K. Shailaja was our former health minister.
Mm,
K. Rajan, I'm not sure, sir.
very good. Doesn't matter. So you must know something. You are from which district?
Trishur
Idiki.
district. Trishur.
Thrissur. Oh, Thrissur district. Thrissur district. Useless news is coming. All bad news only they are putting. Cooperative societies administrators can expel members High Court Division Bench. Bridge repair works, train services cancelled. Then state level ranking tennis tournament from Thursday. Man gravely injured. Then Kerala governor seeks report on Kerala Agricultural University strike. Race for guest lecturer post in Kerala Verma College turns ugly. Arey, what is that? What is that news? Kerala
Uh,
Verma College. What is that?
it's a college, sir, in Trishur. It's a very prestigious college, government
Mm,
college. It's a
mm,
very old college, one of the earliest colleges in Kerala.
mhm. 1 minute. I'll show you that page. Please read that. It's your news. I don't want
Mm.
it. You read it. Read it.
Okay,
FERs.
sir. And vicious competition is on for teaching posts in Kerala, as has been proved by various disputes, legal wrangles, and graft allegations often reported. An ugly spat over a guest lecturer's post in Kerala Verma College. Here is one such. They continuously make threatening calls. I'm exhausted mentally. Even my family is scared, claimed a lecturer in her WhatsApp message, referring to the pressure she faced from two other faculty of the college who tried to ensure the appointment of a politically connected aspirant by forcing her to quit. One who faced threats stood first in the rank list for the post of guest lecturer for political science course at Kerala Verma College. She was targeted by two lecturers of the college, apparently in their bid to secure the same job for former leader of the Students' Federation of India, who was placed second in the rank list.
Anyhow,
Okay,
doesn't
sir.
matter. That much will do. So why I asked you to read this? So you must know some gossips about India, about Kerala, and all these things. Now, please
Okay, sir.
tell me the names of 5 finance ministers of our country.
Uh, um, Sir, the Minister of Finance in Kerala is
No,
CN
no.
Balagopal,
I am asking union finance ministers.
Finance Minister.
Because normally they ask only prime minister, president, vice president, and all that. I am making it slightly tough for you. Names of union finance ministers.
So, Finance Minister of India is Nirmala Sitharaman.
Correct?
Then the rest, the old ones,
Old ones I
previous one.
want.
Then Jetli is there.
Mm.
Then I don't know the previous
Mrs.
ones.
Nirmala Sitharaman, Arun
Then Jetli I
Jaitley,
know. Yeah.
P. Chidambaram, Manmohan Singh, Pranab Mukherjee, then Jaswant Singh. I am giving a link of this in our Telegram page. Please see that afterwards. Okay.
Okay, sir.
5 finance minister. Anyhow, best wishes. You
Okay,
did
sir.
your job. You did your job. But uh, only thing is, you may have to prepare a little more. You can't tell the reason, sir. My exam is there. This and all
Okay,
that.
sir.
That cannot be it. So start preparing seriously. Then you can be assured of success. One, you have to improve your total awareness about computer, vagera. about
Okay.
banking, about current affairs, about your native place, etc.
Okay, sir.
Once you do that, you can
Okay,
be
sir.
sure of success.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Do you have any questions to ask?
Yes, sir. I have a few questions. 1 second. So I saw some questions in your document. I want to know how to answer it.
Mm.
So if they ask me, what skills do I lack as a bank employee, what should I
Mm.
answer?
See, that's a very tricky question. If you
Yes.
admit, if you admit something big, then it will become a negative point. That is why
Yeah.
in that book I have given you, they have already told you tell something that is not directly relevant for the post and tell you lack in that. Uh,
Like,
this is this is what they have given you. Here it is. No, very. I know it's a tough question to answer.
yeah.
Mm. See, only a very confident person can say, "No, I don't have any weakness." They can say, but here,
Yeah.
this is how it goes. What are your weaknesses? Please read this.
It's not showing, sir.
Oh, it's not showing. Sorry. Please read.
What are your
Mm.
weaknesses, or if you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be? A good
Mm.
approach to answer this question is to look out for key skills that are required in the job, and then digging in yourself to find a shortcoming that is non-essential for the job role that you're applying for. And on top of that, if you can mention that you have been working on your shortcomings, that will be the cherry on the cake. Tell
Mm.
about the weakness in brief way and don't get into detail.
Mm.
Sample answer. I get a little nervous while speaking in a large group of people. I'm taking a public speaking course online, and this has worked very well for me.
Mm. Something
Okay.
like that. And one more idea. Continue.
I want I want to complete the given work with perfection. Therefore, I always try to find even the slightest problem in someone's work. I intend to improve their work, but most of my friends think that I am rude because of that. I'm working on managing my time well for a better work life balance. I'm a work
Mhm.
addict. I work as long as takes to get the results. Therefore, sometimes I'm unable to spend some time with my friends and family, which they don't like. Therefore, I have been working on giving more time to friends and family by taking break in between the work, which will also help me to relax. I have a habit of planning the day ahead to complete my project before the stipulated time, and because of that, since many others don't follow the protocols, they get additional time and also the advantage of learning from the shortcomings of my project.
Anyhow, um, see, this is a very unique opportunity, even if I know what you are thinking in your mind. What I am studying for 20 years that has got no relevance, and what I have to study within 5 days, 6 days is given importance. Unfortunately, it is yes.
Yeah.
No, no.
Yes.
The all that 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs you paid and studied this MTech and all, that is not directly taking you to this job. Now, whatever efforts you are now putting in, succeeding in that is getting you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what it is. Okay.
Okay,
Anyhow,
sir.
thank you so much. I'll close this. That candidate, it seems he wants a private interview. So I told you you can be present, but that's not possible.
Sir,
You,
is it
yeah,
possible to get another interview with you?
no, but it can
Um,
be possible because for you, date is not known. You can
yeah.
always come to me after a date is announced. Only
Okay,
problem is you
sir.
have to pay 100 rupees more for that. That's all. No
Okay, sir.
problem.
I'll text you. Okay. I'll message
Yeah,
you.
no. About
Okay,
three
sir.
or 4 days beforehand, you text me. That's all.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But
Thank you.
one thing I have seen is you are completely alienated from bank preparation, possibly
Okay.
due to your exams.
Yes, sir. This week I'm very free, so I'll put myself into that. Okay.
Good. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. I'll close this
Thank you.
video because that
Okay.
candidate wants it private
Okay, sir.
one. So
Okay, sir.
morally, that's the reason. Thank you. Bye bye. And
Thank you,
another
sir.
candidate is another candidate will be 9:30 or so when I can message you in our Telegram. Sorry, but
Okay, sir.
nobody is able to. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.